Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a squash casserole. You're going to need about 2 pounds of squash zucchini and yellow squash, and then you're going to cut them into 1/4-inch slices. Once you're done slicing up the zucchini and squash, sprinkle some salt over and let sit for 10 minutes. Then you're going to dab them with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. Now in a casserole dish, spray some non-stick spray. And then you're going to overlap the zucchini and squash in a row. Then drizzle some olive oil over the zucchini and squash, and then sprinkle some salt and pepper. In a small mixing bowl, add in 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then you're going to whisk together to combine. Then you're going to sprinkle over the zucchini and squash. You're going to cover the baking dish with foil and it's time to bake. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Then remove the foil, and now you're going to turn heat to a high broil and broil for another additional 5 to 7 minutes or until the breadcrumbs start to turn a golden brown. And we like to garnish the dish with some fresh parsley, and this squash casserole is ready. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy squash casserole recipe. This is a perfect side dish, and you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. You saying bye, baby? Baby, she said action. If you guys would like to see, baby, hold on. If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye. Yummy.